Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to send mail on champmail.com. So simply what you need to do, you have to just go to back to dashboard, and first of all you need to create a template for your mail. So here you can see we have already template for this mail. You have to completely edit it. So when you create your template mail, you have to complete all the requirements to send the mail. So simply click on next. So in the next session, you can also add the multiple contacts. Even you can also add the subject, and you can also add the simple form. So after completing this process, then you will be able to send mail. Just click on the right type side. You can see send option. So just simply what we need to do, click here, and here you can send mail. I already sent. So in this way you can easily send mail.